So again, I'm Michael Jenkins. I'm a practicing estate planning attorney in California, and together with my wife, Caroline, we run Jenkins and Jenkins Estate Planning Attorneys. We're a highly rated, high-tech law firm that's based in San Diego, but we help families throughout California with establishing their estate plan. We do that through a very cutting-edge approach that doesn't have you come into the office and waste a bunch of time, and is really about as convenient as it can be to set your estate plan up through a traditional means. Now, this course and some of the software that we put together, which we'll get into later on how to get your estate plan set up, has really become a passion project for us. In our role as estate planning attorneys, we also help families through the probate process. And we feel that practicing probate and helping families through the things that don't work, the things that come up, that's the only way to be a really good estate planning attorney. You see what doesn't work, what draws families back to court, and you plan around that up front. Now, in that practice of seeing people in probate and helping them through the process, we see so many recurring themes of someone doesn't have a plan, or someone has the wrong plan for them, or they just got really, really bad advice, and there's so much bad advice out there that it really just kind of started to wear down on us. And we said, we've got to do something about this. And it's kind of personal to me as well. I became an estate planning attorney because my father passed away unexpectedly. No plan in place. And my brothers and I got to go through that whole mess of probate court. I was a registered nurse before, and after that event, it was like a switch just flipped, and I saw the work that Caroline was doing as an estate planning attorney. And that's what flipped me from switching as a career of a registered nurse in the hospital setting to going to law school, launching an estate planning firm. It's because I didn't want families to have to go through what we went through. And then as a practicing estate planning attorney, we just see over and over again bad advice or no plan and a recurring theme of going through probate. So we built this course as our passion project of educating as many people as we can on the basics of estate planning and to make them informed consumers when they go out into the market, whether they're going to go through a DIY option or whether they're going to hire an attorney or some hybrid option in between. We wanted people to be empowered with the knowledge they need to get their estate plan in place. Now, Caroline and I have 3 little girls of our own, and we could not imagine something happening to us and having those little girls caught up in probate court, or heck, even when they're adults, having them go through probate court to deal with our affairs. So we've put together this course to hopefully prevent anyone else from having to go through probate court, or at least allowing them to gain the knowledge they need to get a plan in place. So that's just a little bit about me and my background and why we put this course together. So without further ado, let's jump right into it, and let's start with the basics. What is an estate plan?